Hello there, Earthlings. Welcome to my microscopic world, where the tiniest creatures make the biggest impact. Benny the Bacterium here, live from the human gut. This is where I call home, and let me tell you, it's quite the bustling metropolis. It might not sound glamorous, but trust me, it's a happening place. There's always something going on, from digesting food to fighting off invaders. You might not know this, but your gut is teeming with trillions of bacteria, just like me. We come in all shapes and sizes, each with our own special job. We bacteria are tiny living things, so small you need a microscope to see us. But don't let our size fool you. We're mighty in numbers and importance. We might be small, but we play a big role in keeping you healthy. From breaking down food to producing essential vitamins, we're always hard at work. We help you digest food, make vitamins, and even support your immune system, and even protect you from nasty germs. Pretty cool, huh? Without us, your body wouldn't function as smoothly. We live in a big, long tube called the digestive system. It's a complex and fascinating place where all the magic happens. It's like a giant food processing plant, and we're the workers. Each of us has a specific role to ensure everything runs smoothly. Our journey starts in the mouth, where all the yummy food comes in. From there, we travel through the esophagus and into the stomach. Come on, I'll show you around. Get ready for an exciting tour of the digestive system, where you'll see just how important we bacteria really are. The mouth is a busy place, full of teeth and saliva. It's where our journey begins, and it's always bustling with activity. Teeth are like the gatekeepers, ready to chomp down on anything that enters. When you take a bite, our adventure begins. The teeth break down the food into smaller pieces, making it easier to handle. We hitch a ride on the food as it gets mashed and mixed with saliva. Saliva is like a magical potion, full of enzymes that start breaking down the food right away. Saliva is important because it helps break down food and makes it easier to swallow. It turns the food into a soft, mushy substance called a bolus. Down we go the esophagus, a slippery slide that takes us to the stomach. The bolus moves smoothly down this tube. The esophagus is like a long tube that squeezes food downwards. This squeezing action is called peristalsis, and it ensures that the food keeps moving in the right direction. It's a quick ride, whoosh! Before you know it, we're at the stomach. The stomach is like a big mixing bowl, where food gets churned and mixed with strong acids. These acids are powerful and help break down the food even further. The acids don't bother us bacteria much. We're tough. We can handle the harsh environment of the stomach. The stomach's job is to break down food into smaller pieces, getting it ready for the next stage of our journey. From here, the food will move into the small intestine, where even more digestion and absorption will take place. Next stop, the small intestine. This is where the magic truly begins. This is where the real action happens. The small intestine is like a bustling city, full of activity and life. The small intestine is a long, winding tube where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place. It's like a superhighway for nutrients. And guess what? We bacteria are the stars of the show. We take center stage in this digestive drama. Our job is to break down the food even further, releasing all the good stuff like vitamins and minerals. Think of us as tiny miners extracting precious gems. We also help the body absorb these nutrients so you can grow big and strong. Without us, your body wouldn't get the fuel it needs. We're like tiny chefs and delivery drivers all rolled into one. We prepare the nutrients and then deliver them right where they're needed.
It's important to eat a variety of healthy foods. Each type of food provides different nutrients that are essential for your health, because different types of food feed different types of bacteria. A diverse diet means a diverse bacterial community, and the more diverse our bacterial community is, the healthier you'll be. A thriving bacterial community means a thriving you.
After the small intestine comes the large intestine, our final destination. By now, most of the nutrients have been absorbed, but there's still some work to be done.
The large intestine is like a recycling center, where we help absorb water and salts from the leftover food. We also produce some important vitamins here, like vitamin K, which helps your blood clot. Without us, you might bleed too much if you get a cut.
So, be sure to thank your friendly gut bacteria next time you see a bandage. Life in the large intestine is never boring. It's a bustling community of different bacteria, all working together to keep you healthy. Well, that's the end of our journey. I hope you enjoyed this little peek into the amazing world of your gut. Remember, We bacteria are your friends, working hard to keep you healthy. So, do us a favor and eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They're good for you and they make us happy. See you around, and remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut.